Welcome. So, this is the conversation we had for this day. Kata Tohir, Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, Tohir. Kepala sekolah ada? Ada, Mas? Ada keperluan apa ya? Sekolah ada. You read with English. Saya nama Muhammad Tohir, asali Pakistan. Sure, it means what do you need? Asal Pakistan. Nama saya. Apa kabar, sehat? Alhamdulillah sehat. Oh, Masya Allah. Ada apa ya, Mas? What's going on? Saya buruh sini, saya maksud rezeki halal. What do you mean by that? Say it in English. I'm new here, come here for halal rizq. Saya maksud cari rezeki halal. Aha. Saya baru di sini, Pak. Saya bermaksud untuk mencari rezeki halal. Saya jual Arab kaligrafi sekolah-sekolah. Saya menjual kaligrafi Arab. Ya, rejection. Wah, maaf mas, kami tidak butuh kaligrafi. Sorry sir, we don't need any of it. Reception. Wah, kebetulan sekali. Silakan masuk mas. Please come in. Thank you. Terima kasih. Iya, mari. Come. I have ayat Ul-Kirsi 4 kul kabatullah and more. What is 4 kul kaba? 4 4. What is kul kaba? 4 kul and kabatullah make and finl aluminium. I don't understand. 4 means 4. I know, but what's the other kul? Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq, Surah An-Nas. 3 kul. Why are you laughing? It should be 3, not tega. Okay. Saya punya ayat kursi 3 kul, Ka'bah 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Selamat pagi semuanya, kata Mubin. Abkilas walibat mujihi bisem khemai nihi ai baik. Pagi Mubin. Kunci. Kul kabatullah and morwali. 3 kul kabatullah print and Allah Muhammad. Pagi juga, apa kabar? Baik, alhamdulillah. Kamu tidak mengajar hari ini? Urdu my batal jejak. Hai, hari ini istirahat hari. 3 kul hain shit. Iya, nikmati akhir pekanmu ya. Sekarang aku mengerti. Now I get it. Tolong terjemah ini. Enjoy your weekend. Just today is off because of Sunday. Aku tahu. Waduh. Kok waduh? Dan apa? Saya apa sih, Ronit? Saya what? Kamu kenapa, Ronit? Sayamu, katamu, meaning? It's incorrect, Tohir. I'm not sure. What does that mean? Sayamu, katamu, want to meet? Oh, saya mau ketemu. Please invoice.
Saya mau ketemu. Saya mau ketemu.
Tolong pertahankan. Apanya? Kemudian materi hari ini adalah kalimat hari ini. Berapa harganya? How much is the price? Voice. Oh, learn menu, learn Indonesian alphabet, Indonesian numbers, Indonesian game, Indonesian vocabulary, Indonesian phrases, Indonesian translation, Indonesian dictionary, Indonesian audio, Indonesian keyboard, Indonesian radio, colors in Indonesian, numbers in Indonesian, body in Indonesian, time in Indonesian, days in Indonesian, food in Indonesian, animals in Indonesian, places in Indonesian, object in Indonesian, clothes in Indonesian, nature in Indonesian, weather in Indonesian, people in Indonesian, phrases in Indonesian, words in Indonesian, Indonesian adjective, Indonesian adverbs, Indonesian nouns, Indonesian articles, Indonesian pronouns, Indonesian plural, Indonesian feminine, Indonesian verbs, Indonesian preposition, Indonesian negation, Indonesian questions, Indonesian video. I think she just copy and paste. Indonesian reading, Indonesian verb list, Indonesian prefixes, transliteration, Indonesian quiz, learning tips, easiest languages, hardest languages, learn Indonesian lessons, Indonesian verbs. If you're looking for a list of Indonesian verbs, you will find it below with its English translation to help you with your Indonesian grammar. Also, don't forget to check the rest of our other lessons listed on Learn Indonesian. Enjoy the rest of the lesson. List of Indonesian verbs. The list below including many of the Indonesian verbs which are very important for grammar and vocabulary because they are used in everyday conversation. English verbs, Indonesian verbs: to accommodate, memuat, menampung; to accumulate, mengumpulkan, menghimpun; to add, menambah; to admit, mengakui; to advance, mendahului, memajukan, mempercepat; to allow, mengizinkan; to answer, menjawab; to apologize, meminta maaf; to appear, kelihatan, tampak; to appreciate, menghormati; to approach, mendekati, menjelang; to arise, bangun, berdiri; to arrange, mengatur; to arrest, menangkap, menahan; to arrive, datang; to ask, bertanya, meminta; to assemble, memasang, berkumpul; to assist, membantu, menolong; to attempt, mencoba; to attend, menghadiri; to attract, menarik; to bark, menggonggong; to beat, hit, memukul; to become alive, hidup; to begin, mulai, memulai; to believe, percaya, mempercayai; to bend, menekuk, melipat, membengkokkan; to bet, bertaruh, mengira; to bind, terjepit; to bind, merebuk, menjilid; to bind, bound, membalut; to bloom, berkembang, berbunga; to blow, meniup; to boil, merebus; to borrow, meminjam; to break, memecahkan, mematahkan; to breathe in, menghirup atau menarik napas pakai P ya, napas; to breathe out, mengeluarkan napas; to bring, membawa; to build, membangun; to burn, membakar; to buy, membeli; to call, memanggil; to calm, menenangkan; to care, mempedulikan; to carry, membawa; to carry on, mengadakan, meneruskan, melanjutkan; to carve, mengukir, memotong; to cause, mengakibatkan; to celebrate, merayakan; to certain, memastikan; to change, mengganti, mengubah; to cheat, mencontek; to check, memeriksa, mengecek; to chew, mengunyah; to chop, mencekik; to choose, memilih; to chuck, membuang, melemparkan; to classify, mengklasifikasikan; to clear, membersihkan; to climb, memanjat; to close, menutup; to collect, mengumpulkan; to come, datang; to commend, menghargai, memuji; to compare, membandingkan; to compete, berkompetisi; to complete, melengkapi; to conceal, menyembunyikan; to congratulate, memberi selamat; to connect, menghubungkan; to consider, menyadari; to consult, memperundingkan; to consume, memakai, menggunakan; to contain, mengandung; to contemplate, merenungkan; to contend, berpendapat, bertanding, melawan, menentang; to continue, meneruskan; to contract, menyingkat; to control, mengendalikan; to converge, memusat; to convince, meyakinkan; to cook, memasak; to copy, menggandakan; to cough, batuk; to count, menghitung; to cover, melindungi; to create, menciptakan, membuat; to cross, menyeberangi; to cry, menangis; to cure, menyembuhkan; to curve, membelok; to cut, memotong; to damage, merusak; to dance, menari; to decide, memutuskan; to decline, menurun, merosot; to decrease, mengurangi; to defeat, mengalahkan; to defend, menahan; to deliver, mengantarkan; to demolish, meruntuhkan; to destroy, menghancurkan; to die, meninggal, mati, tewas; to differ, berbeda; to disappear, menghilang; to discover, menemukan, mengetahui; to discuss, mendiskusikan, berdiskusi; to display, memamerkan, mempertunjukkan, memperlihatkan; to dispute, memperdebatkan, memperselisihkan; to dissolve, membubarkan; to divide, membagi; to do, melakukan; to be doing, mengerjakan; to doubt, ragu-ragu; to draw, menggambar; to drink, minum; to drop, menjatuhkan, to dry, mengeringkan, to eat, makan, to elect, memilih, to empty, mengosongkan, to end, berakhir, to enter, masuk, to envelope, menyelubungi, menyelimuti, membungkus, to envy, cemburu, iri, to erase, menghapus, to escape, melarikan diri, to exceed, melebihi, melampaui, to exhale, mengeluarkan, mengembuskan, to expire, berakhir, to explain, menjelaskan, to express, menyatakan, mengutarakan, mengungkapkan, to fall, jatuh, terjatuh, to fasten, mengencangkan, to feel, merasa, to fight, bertengkar, to fill, mengisi, to find, menemukan, to finish, menyelesaikan, to fit, pas, cocok, to fix, memperbaiki, to float, mengapung, to fly, terbang, to fold, melipat, to follow, mengikuti, to forget, melupakan, to forgive, memaafkan, together, berkumpul, to get, mendapatkan, to get nervous, tegang, to give, memberi, to give to, menyerahkan kepada, to give up, menyerah, to go, pergi, to go home, pulang, to grill, memanggang, to grow, tumbuh, to guess, menebak, to halt, memberhentikan, to hand to, mengerjakan, melakukan, to handle, menangani, to hang, menggantung, to have, mempunyai, to hear, mendengar, to help, menolong, membantu, to hide, bersembunyi, to hire, menyewa, to hit, memukul, to hold, menahan, memegang, mendapatkan, to hope, mengharapkan, berharap, to hug, memeluk, to hurry, melakukan dengan terburu-buru, mempercepat, to improve, memperbaiki, to include, memasukkan, termasuk, to increase, meningkatkan, bertambah, to indicate, mengindikasikan, to influence, memengaruhi, to inhale, menghirup, to injure, melukai, to insert, menyelipkan, to introduce, memperkenalkan, to investigate, menginvestigasi, mencari tahu, menyelidiki, to invite, mengundang, to be jealous, cemburu, to join together, bergabung, to jump, meloncat, melompat, to keep, menyimpan, to kill, membunuh, to kiss, mencium, to knock, mengunci, to know, mengetahui, to be known, diketahui, to lay, berbaring, to last, remain, tersisa, to laugh, tertawa, to learn, belajar, to lend, meminjamkan, to let go, melepaskan, to lie down, merebahkan diri, to light, menerangi, menyoroti, to like, menyukai, to link, menghubungkan, to listen, mendengarkan, to live, exist, hidup, to lock, terkunci, to look, melihat, to look for, mencari, to lose, item, kehilangan, to lose, game, kalah, to love, mencintai, to make a mistake, membuat kesalahan, to marry, menikahi, to master, menguasai, to match, mencocokkan, to measure, mengukur, to meet, bertemu, to melt, meleleh, mencair, to memorize, mengingat, to mention, menyebutkan, to mind, keberatan, to miss, merindukan, to move, bergerak, to move to, pindah ke, to multiply, mengalihkan, to murder, membunuh, to need, membutuhkan, memerlukan, to obey, mematuhi, to omit, menghilangkan, mengabaikan, to open, membuka, to operate, mengoperasikan, to order, memerintah, memesan, to paint, melukis, to pass, melewati, to pay, membayar, to pay attention, memperhatikan, to peel, mengupas, to permit, mengizinkan, memperbolehkan, to pick up, menjemput, to play, bermain, to point, menunjuk, to possess, mempunyai, memiliki, to pour out, menuangkan, to praise, memuji, to pray, berdoa, to prevail, berlaku, to print, mencetak, to proceed, memproses, to produce, memproduksi, membuat, to postpone, menunda, to protect, melindungi, to publish, menerbitkan, to be published, diterbitkan, to pull, menarik, to push, menekan, mendorong, to put, meletakkan, to raise salary, menaikkan, raise hand, mengangkat, to raise animal, memelihara, to raise child, membesarkan, to raise money or funds, mengumpulkan, to reach for, objek, meraih, to reach destination, sampai, to read, membaca, to recognize, mengenali, to recommend, merekomendasikan, to recover, menyembuhkan, to reduce, mengurangi, to reflect, menggambarkan, mencerminkan, to refuse, menolak, to reject, menolak, to relieve a pain, mengurangi, meringankan, to remain, tersisa, menyisakan, mempertahankan, to remember, ingat, to remove, menghilangkan, to rent, menyewa, to repair, memperbaiki, to replace, menggantikan, to report, melaporkan, to rescue, menyelamatkan, to resemble, menyerupai, mirip, to reserve, memesan tempat, to resign, mengundurkan diri, to respond, merespons, to rest, beristirahat, to restore, menyimpan, to retire, pensiun, to return, kembali, mengembalikan, to ring, berdering, to rip, merobek, to rise, naik, bangkit, muncul, to roar, mengaum, to rule, mengatur, memerintah, to run, berlari, to save, menyimpan, to say, mengatakan, to search, mencari, to secure, mengamankan, to see, melihat, to seek, mencari, to sell, menjual, to send, mengirimkan, to separate, memisahkan, to set free, membebaskan, to sharpen, mempertajam, menajamkan, to shock, mengagetkan, to shoot, menembak, to shout, berteriak, to show, menunjukkan, memperlihatkan, to shrink, mengerut, to shut, menutup, to sing, menyanyi, to sit, duduk, to skip, melewati, melampaui, to sleep, tidur, to smell, mencium, to smile, tersenyum, to smirk, menyeringai, to sneeze, bersin, to sniff, menghirup, to solve, menyelesaikan, to sound, alarm, membunyikan, to sound, syllable, mengucapkan, to speak, bicara, to spell, mengeja, to spend, menghabiskan, to split, wood, membelah, membagi, to spread, menabur, menyebarkan, to sprinkle, dirt, menghamburkan, menaburkan, to sprout, plant, bertunas, to sprout, child, tumbuh meninggi, to stamp, envelope, memberi perangko, to stamp, one's foot, menggertakkan, to stand, berdiri, to start, memulai, to stay, tinggal, menetap, to sting, menyengat, to stop, berhenti, to store, menyimpan, menimbun, to scratch, rope, merentangkan, to strike, memukul, menampar, to study, belajar, ya, to submerge, menyelam ke dalam air, to submit, menyampaikan, menyerahkan, mengajukan, to suit, cocok, to support, mendukung, to surprise, menindas, menyembunyikan, menahan, to surpass, melebihi, melampaui, to surprise, mengagetkan, to suspect, mencurigai, to swallow, menelan, to sweep, menyapu, to swell, membengkakkan, menambah besar, to swim, berenang, to switch, mengganti, menukar, to switch off, mematikan, to switch on, menyalakan, to take, mengambil, to take blame for, menyalahkan, to take charge of, bertanggung jawab, to talk, berbicara, to teach, mengajar, to tear, menangis, to telephone, menelepon, to tell, mengatakan, to tempt, menggoda, to test, menguji, to tired, lelah, to think, berpikir, to think of, memikirkan tentang, to be thirsty, haus, to throw, melempar, to tidy up, merapikan, to tie, mengikat, to be tired of, lelah akan, to get together, bersama-sama, bersatu, to touch, menyentuh, to transfer, mentransfer, to transmit message, mengirimkan, to transmit disease, menularkan, menyebarkan, to trust, mempercayai, to try, mencoba, to turn off, mematikan, to turn on, menyalakan, to type, mengetik, to twist, memutarbalikkan, memilih, to understand, mengerti, to unfasten, membuka, to untie, tidak terikat, to use, menggunakan, memakai, to vanish, lenyap, menghilang, to veil, menyelubungi, to verify, memeriksa, menguji, to become visible, menampakkan diri, to visit, mengunjungi, to vomit, muntah, to wait, menunggu, to wake, bangun, to walk, berjalan, to warn, memperingatkan, to wash, mencuci, to watch, menonton, menyaksikan, to wave, melambai, to weary, membosankan, melelahkan, to weigh, menimbang, to whisper, berbisik, to wink, mengedip, to win, menang, to wipe, menyeka, to work, bekerja, to wrap, membungkus, to write, menulis, to wrong, salah, to yawn, menguap, to yawn, menguap. Selamat malam, kata Zen. Apakah aku ketinggalan pelajaran hari ini? I'm from Kenya, but Monica of Hippo, that's my nickname.
Berapa harganya?
Okay. Wow, terima kasih banyak Monica. Selamat malam Zen, mungkin kamu sudah membaca kalimat hari ini? Saya tahu. Oh, there is. Ya ada lah.
Kalimat hari ini. Berapa harganya? How much is the price?
Sempurna Zen. Makasih Vi. Bagaimana harimu? Oh, itu adalah hal yang diberkati. Bagaimana dengan milikmu? Hariku biasa saja. Bagus Vi, hari ini adalah hari ibadah bagiku dan aku selalu merasa diberkati setiap saat. Oh iya, ini hari Minggu. Ada berapa orang yang datang ke gereja hari ini? That's it. That is the end of the conversation we had for these days. So, see you tomorrow, guys.